Hi, it's a very good morning to all of you, and I welcome you again to my class. So, this chapter circle, that is exercise 10.2, the first three questions we did. Next, today, let's see question number 4, exercise 10.2. Question number 4, it is given like. Question number 4 is given like prove that the tangents drawn at the ends of a diameter of a circle are parallel. पहले दिन बोला था आपको, just remind, before 3-4 days ago हमने आपको बोला था the tangents that are drawn at the ends of a diameter are parallel. I told you 4-5 times. I told you that day. Got it ना? Because in 10.1 exercise we got a questions that how many parallel tangents can a circle have at most. मतलब इसका मतलब हिंदी का मतलब एक सर्कल में ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा कितने parallel tangent हो सकता है. तो मैं बोला था कि at the ends of the diameter the tangents drawn are parallel. So that is the proof we need to do right now. So that means suppose this is the circle whose center is O. Whose center is O, and these are the two tangent XY AB. These are the two tangent. That means suppose the point of contact is R here, it is P here. तो हमारे को ये दिखाना है, what we need to show is this is the diameter. So given what is given कि RP is the diameter. RP is the diameter, and to prove tangent AB parallel to tangent X. ये prove करना है. What is given? It is given that the circle with center O and RP is the diameter. Good. And we need to show that the tangents drawn at point R and the tangents drawn at point P, that is tangents drawn at point R is AB and tangent drawn at point P is XY. We need to show AB parallel to XY. Got it? This is the question. This is we need to prove. तो proof लिखेंगे अब. Proof लिखेंगे. Since RP is the diameter, तो OR is the radius. We know diameter passes to the center. We know diameter passes to the center. That means OR is the radius. So we know कि since OR is radius, therefore angle ORB is a right angle. Property of tangent. No problem. Next, second this case, since OP is the radius, OPY equal to 90 degree. Property of the tangent. So, in a given question, it is given that the circle is with center O and the diameter is RP. We need to show that the tangent drawn at the point R, that is AB, and the tangent drawn at the point P, that is XY, they are parallel. We need to show them. So, since the diameter passes through the center, that means this part we will take first, OR. So, OR is the radius, AB is the tangent. We know by the property of tangent, we proved that this is right angle. Similarly, in this case, OP is the radius, XY is the tangent given. So therefore OPY is 90 degree. Got it now? So at these two angles we got it as 90 degree, and we know if the sum of the co-interior angles is 180, then the lines are parallel. And if the sum of co-interior angles is not 180, that means it may be more than 180, it may be less than 180, then they are not parallel. But हमको पता है, we got in the earlier classes that whenever two parallel lines are cut down by transversal, then the sum of the co-interior angles formed, their sum is 180. Since और उसका reverse में ये कह सकता हूँ, if the sum of the co-interior angles is 180, then the lines are parallel. तो since these are the co-interior angles, ORB and OPY, these are the, तो इतना लिख लो, first you take this much. Got it? Now next step. Therefore इसके बाद लिखूंगा therefore एंगल ORB प्लस एंगल OPY, जहां तक लिखा था उसके बाद ये है इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री प्लस 90 डिग्री, दैट इज इक्वल टू 180. Since these are two co-interior angles, therefore AB parallel to XY. We have got the sum of these two angles as 180, and these are two co-interior angles, face-to-face angles, सामने आपने सामने वाला angles. So therefore AB is parallel to XY tangent. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 is easy. नेक्स्ट 5th कर लेना आप, इजी है, 5th कर लेना, ट्राई कर लेना, नहीं तो कर दूंगा. 6th भी कर लेना, 7th कर देता हूँ और 8th कर देता हूँ. गॉट इट? 5th इज समवट रिलेटेड टू द थ्योरम. मैं एक हिंट दे दिया आपको, ट्राई करो नहीं तो कर दूंगा. द थ्योरम ना, दैट प्रॉपर्टी आई शोड यू ना, दैट टेंजेंट इज रेडियस इज परपेंडिकुलर टू द टेंजेंट. तो दैट कंसेप्ट आपको मैं बता दिया था ना, लॉजिकल प्रूफ. तो ये 5th इज समवट रिलेटेड टू दैट. तो आप ये ट्राई करो, फिर मैं कर दूंगा. 6th और 7th में दोनों लगभग स्टेटमेंट में मिलावट है, मतलब सेम है, सिमिलर है. स्टेटमेंट इज जस्ट टू नो द जस्ट टू गेट द स्टेटमेंट. अगर आप कर लोगे देन यू कैन सॉल्व इट. तो क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 देखो. Question number 7, two concentric circles. Concentric circle means, con means same, centric means same center. Concentric circles means if the circles are having the same center, like this. These are concentric circles. Good. So concentric circles are of radius 5 cm and 3 cm. So we are been given two concentric circles of radius 5 cm and 3 cm. तो बना लेते हैं जी. तो फर्स्ट वन इज दिस 5 है, ये 3 है, दिस इज द सेंटर. गॉट इट? फिर बोला फाइंड द लेंथ ऑफ द कॉर्ड ऑफ द लार्जर सर्कल. लार्जर सर्कल का कॉर्ड का लेंथ निकालो which touches the smaller circle. That means find the length of the chord of the larger circle and which is the tangent to the smaller circle. That means this. That means this is, suppose this is AB. So AB is a chord to the larger circle. Why? Because it is connected. It is connecting 2 points on the boundary of the larger circle, and it is a tangent to the smaller circle. Suppose that the point is P, the center is O. हमको निकालना है find the length. This AB we need to find out. This AB. तो this OP is, this the radius of the smaller circle is 3 cm given, and OA is the radius of the larger circle. How much it is given? 5. Given OA equal to 5 cm, OP equal to 3 cm. कहाँ से आया? हमको बोला कि two concentric circles of radius 5 cm and 3 cm, and you need to find the length of the chord that is to the larger circle, and that chord is the tangent to the smaller circle. So this is the diagram from the statement. We just make it. तो हमने क्या करना है, हमने निकालना है AB का लेंथ निकालना है। तो AB का लेंथ निकालने के लिए हमने OP ज्वाइन कर लिया, OA ज्वाइन कर लिया, एंड OP is 3 cm. Why? Because OP is the radius. OP is the radius of the smaller circle. It is given as 3 cm. OA is the radius of the larger circle, and it is given as 5 cm. Got it, na? Sorry. So therefore, we can apply by Pythagoras theorem. We can apply by Pythagoras theorem in the triangle OAP. तो इसमें क्या आ जाएगा, OA स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AP स्क्वायर प्लस OP स्क्वायर. गुड. OA स्क्वायर कितना है जी, 5 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू AP स्क्वायर हमको नहीं पता, निकालना है, प्लस OP स्क्वायर कितना है जी, 3 स्क्वायर. तो यहाँ पे हो जाएंगे 25 इक्वल टू AP स्क्वायर प्लस 9. implies AP square equal to 25 minus 9 will be 16. So AP will be equal to 4. तो AP कितना आ गया, 4 आ गया. Since AP is 4, P will also be 4. कहाँ से पता, कैसे पता? Remember the theorem, for the first theorem we got in class 9. That is the perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord. The perpendicular drawn from the center to the chord bisects the chord. ये दोनों भाग बराबर था क्लास 9 का फर्स्ट थ्योरम. The perpendicular drawn from the center onto the chord bisects the chord. Got it? This is the perpendicular. कैसे पता? Why? Because for the smaller triangle this is 90 degree ना. By the property of tangent we know this is right angle. Why? Because for smaller circle this is the radius and this is the tangent, and we know radius is perpendicular onto the tangent at the point of contact. So this is a right angle. Got it? So if this is right angle, तो for the bigger triangle also this will be right angle. Angle थोड़ी ना बदल जाएंगे, अलग नजर से देखेंगे नहीं बदलेगा, angle will be same. So the perpendicular drawn from the, so it is a perpendicular line drawn from the center onto the chord. This is the chord for the larger circle. It will bisect the chord. ये class 9 का theorem है.